So here is a very powerful colon cleanser that you need to empty your bowel and make sure your stomach is very flat always. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here for the first time, you are so welcome. I really appreciate you. So today's video, I'm going to be making use of just few ingredients, a powerful ingredients that will help to target your belly fat, flush out those colon, and make sure you have a flat belly. So this is without any side effect. You don't need to be afraid or anything. So you want to know how to make this, keep watching. So do subscribe, hit the red subscribe button, turn on the bell so you get notified whenever I upload videos like this. So let's go ahead and show you how you can obtain a flat belly, get rid of excessive waist, and make sure you are healthy always. To lose those belly fat, you have to get this fruit called Aidan. It has so many names. You can find it around you in the local market. If you cannot get it, you can order it online. So this helps in so many things. Aidan fruit helps in cleaning the extra fats and bad cholesterol from the body. This is very important because it helps so much to detox your system, boosting immune system. If you have irregular period, if you are trying to conceive, to get pregnant, I've shared a video where I use Aidan fruits in, for those that are looking to get pregnant by cleaning their uterus. So this is so wonderful. Like, you can also call it precursor. You also have the botanical name. Okay, so depending on the area you are, the country you are, it comes in different names. Aidan fruit is the English name, so you can just Google it and it will come out in different names and you know where to get it. So I'm using it today for weight loss because it's going to help to empty your bowel. It will help to clean the colon, flush out excess fat from the body, get rid of bloating, generally make you to feel very light and more attractive. So I'm going to show you how to prepare it. First thing you have to do is to wash it thoroughly. After washing it thoroughly, the next thing to do is to boil it. So here is my cooking pot. I'm going to boil it using this pot. Just transfer it into the pot like this and add some water that will be able to cover it, okay? So this water is perfect. These fruits can provide about 1 liter of the remedy. Okay, you can just go ahead and add more water into this. So I'm making use of just a small pot, and this quantity may produce about 2 glasses or 1.5 glasses, depending. So I'm going to go right now to boil it for about 15 to 20 minutes. Then you make sure you boil it very well for everything to infuse out. I'll be right back. This is so powerful. Boil it for 20 to 30 minutes, okay? So you have to add more water, as I said earlier, if you want to increase the quantity. You can still reuse these fruits, boil it again like 2 more times, and it's going to make more drinks, okay? So just transfer it into the glass, a cup, anything you want to use, all right? This is how to take the drink. First thing in the morning, early morning, take 1 glass like this. You have to take it while it's still hot or warm, okay? And that will help to flush out toxins. After 30 minutes, you can go ahead and have your breakfast. You can take this drink again at night before bedtime, and it's just perfect. This is a wonderful tea that you need to take care of your body, to boost your immune system, to make sure you are always healthy all the time. To obtain that flat belly, just go ahead and be taking this, and you see those belly getting flatter and flatter all the time. Make large amounts, store it, and be taking it every day for best results. You'll be seeing improvement in no time. If you find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. If you have not subscribed yet, kindly do so by hitting the red subscribe button. Also, turn on the bell so you get notified whenever I upload videos like this. I will see you next time.